guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about what it actually takes to make $1,000 or more each month from your online business. It could be print on demand, it could be KDP, it could be Creative Fabrica or any other online business. I'm going to talk about some real stuff. Now I'm not going to give you some sneaky tactics or short-term strategies to do this and that, you're going to get quick money. No, I'm going to talk about some real stuff. So this would be a real entrepreneurship update, real entrepreneur talk, which I think it's really important for me to actually talk about. So let's get straight into the video guys, and before going to the good part, consider clicking on the like button. I really appreciate that. Now let's get straight into that. Now there are so many key ingredients to this recipe, but I'm going to cover the few ingredients in this video, because if I'm going to cover every ingredient, then it will be beyond the scope of this video and I will just keep talking and all that. So number one key ingredient that I think is really important is to be yourself. Now you would be thinking, you need to be yourself to make $1,000 plus online each month. Is it really true? Yes guys, is it really true to be yourself? I'm not telling you to reinvent the wheel or something like that. Just be yourself in your own skin. You don't need to copy anyone. You don't need to compare yourself. Don't need to replicate or duplicate what other people are doing in your online space, in your niche or anything like that. You just need to be yourself. Like, what is your interest and hobby? If you enjoy making some particular type of designs from your print on demand designs, from your print on demand shop, then probably go for it. Don't look for the other people who are making pattern textures or who are making trending designs, who are making text-based design. If you are not into it, then don't do it guys, because there is market for everything. I want to tell you, in this online space, I've been there for almost 1 year, and I can see that there is like space, there is a requirement for everything. If you can make something unique, something beautiful, then there is a market for everything on this online space. You don't need to think that if you're making this kind of artwork or you're making this type of design, no one will actually purchase it. No guys, there is market for everything, and art is subjective. Like, I like the art, may not be liked by you. That you're liking may not be liked by me. So it's completely subjective. Now, there are the scribbling artists as well who just make the art pieces by scribbling. There are the resin artworks, the people who are making the artwork from having the kitchen or in the toilet, and people are making the artwork from that. Yeah, Instagram and see, or even if you go onto the TikTok and watch the different YouTube videos or TikTok videos or Instagram reels, whatever it is, you're going to see that the people are making art out of anything that you can ever imagine. So just be yourself. You don't need to hide in the shadows, or you don't need to fit in the box that you think is the box made by someone else. You don't need to fit in the box that someone else has made it. You need to be yourself, and you will eventually going to see that the people will actually going to attract the real version who you are, and you're gonna able to monetize that thing. You're gonna get more followers and able to monetize it and make more money from it. It could be by print on demand, it could be whatever you are doing in the online space. So that the second important thing guys that I want to talk about is trending. Like, where is the attention right now? Look for that. For right now, you can see the TikTok is in trending, the short vertical videos are in trending right now. The Instagram has a separate section that is Instagram Reels. Even YouTube has a separate section that is a YouTube Shorts, and it's quite popular. People are going into the YouTube Shorts, having a short vertical videos. In fact, I am also experimenting with YouTube Shorts quite lately. I've been posting on this channel as well, and I've created a complete separate channel for the GLOBO ARTE Shorts for just featuring my GLOBO ARTE Shorts on this channel. So you can see the shorts are doing pretty well. Of course, you need to be yourself. If you feel like your content can't fit into that short vertical video, then don't go for it. But look for the things that is attention right now, because where is the attention, then there is the more money, and also you can grow fast. Now, of course, there are so many controversies right now going with the YouTube Shorts that you can't monetize it. If you're making the YouTube Shorts, you would be getting the subscribers, but the watch hours you're getting out of it, that won't be countable in the YouTube monetization policy. There is so much controversies going on right now. But again, guys, we are not doing YouTube just for the sake of the money, because if you are looking for just for the sake of the money, then you might feel burned out, because it's a long-term thing. It's not for a short-term quick money-making scheme or anything like that. If you're starting with your own YouTube channel and thinking that you're gonna get monetized within few months. You might get monetized or you might not be get monetized, because on average channel on YouTube get monetized in almost like 22 or I guess 24 months according to the YouTube average. So if you are going into the YouTube just for the sake of the money, then I want to tell you might get burned out, because it's not that easy. It's not that simple. It's not that quick. It will really going to take your time. If it's not in your hobby interest to actually make these videos, to shoot the videos, if you don't really like doing it, then don't do it. Because there are so many ways in which you can make money online. You can also start with the podcast. And if you know about the Clubhouse, that is a quite recent trend right now about the Clubhouse. People talking about the voice on that Clubhouse. So there are so many avenues, there are so many ways in which you can make money online. So you don't need to fit into this box of somebody else. Of course, look for the attention. Now, I'm going to tell you that I got one question on my YouTube video. Now, that person was asking me and that in the YouTube shorts, where you going to put your link of your shop or your link where you want to send people to. So I told that you can put that link in your shorts description and people can very well go by that. Now that was the question, what is not relatable to the topics that I'm talking on my channel, but I am trying with the YouTube shorts, and some YouTube shorts goes pretty well and some doesn't go. But that's okay. I'm still learning from it. I'm still growing from it. I know that I am in this game for a very long term things. I'm not here for the short term. So keep that thing in mind, look for where the attention is and how you can utilize that particular trend, that particular design, keeping yourself in the picture for your brand, for your company, whatever it is you are growing online. So that is my second tip. Now the third tip that I have for you is I've been talking a lot many times in my YouTube videos, is the consistency. It's really important, guys. Nothing happened overnight. Now people will be thinking, oh, I see the various different YouTubers talking about on the YouTube. They are getting monetized within few months. They're getting monetized within a year, making the 6-figure, making 7-figure, blah, 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 blah. But I'm going to tell you reality. The guys, it actually takes a real work to get the real results. I'm not against those people. I'm not against those YouTubers, because I don't know their complete picture. I really don't know whether they are making it or whether they are not. So I don't know about it. So who am I to judge them, or who am I to comment on them? But I'm going to tell you, it actually takes the real consistency, the real work to get the real results. So you need to be consistent. Develop your own schedule. Again, don't copy anyone. Don't go into the comparison factor. Look for how you can leverage it. What is your frequency? Even if you're going for the print on demand business, look for how many designs you can upload on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, and stick to that roadmap, stick to that game, stick to that plan, and keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it until you're getting the desired results that you want. So consistency is the key, and no one can beat it. If you are consistent, you're gonna get the results when the right time will going to come. And we don't know when is that right time will going to come. In fact, nobody knows about it. You just need to keep doing it. You need to fall in love with the process rather than falling in love with the end results. Because from my own experience, I can see that when I was achieving that some particular milestone which I want to achieve, and after hitting that milestone, I feel like, okay, I'm happy for a day or two, and then I was thinking, what is the next? What is the next? What is the next goal that I need to work on? So this thing never happens. So then I started with falling in love with the process rather than falling in love with the end results. Because life is all about the process. It's not about the end results where we want to reach. Because after reaching to that milestone, then we have another milestone, and so on and so forth. And if we are putting our happiness related to that end result, that we will be happy when we would reach to that particular end result, and we might never be happy in our lives. So again, it depends on the perspective rather than on the end result. That I really want to touch in this video is about the patience. You need to have patience. Nothing happens overnight. You need to have patience. You need to have a bigger picture. Even if you see that the things are not working right now, or the things are quite like a stagnant or going quite slow, just be patient with it, because no matter, you're gonna reach it. You're gonna reach where you want to reach. So keep a bigger perspective in your mind. Keep a bigger goal in your mind, and don't fall for shiny objects, stuffs like, oh, it's looking so bright on the side, I'm gonna try it. Because if you watch various YouTube videos, talking about making money online. There are so many ways in which you can make money online, and if you look for those videos, you will see that, oh, you can make 6-figure, 7-figure, you can make $10,000, $1,000 a day, and you feel into that trap of actually trying that particular thing. And when you try that thing, then you realize, oh, it's not working for me. Am I not good enough? Am I not lucky? That's why it's not working for me. But I want to tell you guys, you are lucky. You are good enough. You are enough for yourself. You're enough for your life. You don't need anyone to be complete. You don't need anyone to feel good about yourself. So trust me, don't fall into the shiny object syndromes. See what energizes you the most. Look for the things that energize you most, that really makes you happy, and do that. And believe in yourself that it will going to happen no matter what it takes. Of course, it will gonna happen at the right time, and nobody knows when that right time will going to come. But you need to have a patience, because nothing can beat the consistency and having patience. Even if you are going with the trends, you would go with the trends. You're gonna get the quick sales in the beginning for the Redbubble, for the print on demand, whatever it is. I'm not against for the trends, guys, but the real thing happens at the real time, and you need to do the real work for that. There is no sneaky tactics, there is no sneaky secrets that I'm going to give you in this video, or somebody else will going to deliver to you, and you're going to see, oh, it's a quick sneaky tactic. If I'm going to follow it, I'm going to make a quick money online. No, guys, there is nothing like that. It actually takes, I often repeat this word quite a lot, many times, actually. Anyway, guys, but it really takes a long time to get the results. It really takes a consistency, having a patience, having a proper thing in your mind will going to lend you into a better shape. So I hope that today's video is really helpful to you. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Now, these were my things of making $1,000 or more in the online space if you're doing whatever kind of business you're doing, because it's based on my own personal experience, and I really love making such kind of videos which are talking about the real entrepreneurship journey, not talking about the sneaky tactics or something like that, whereas the real stuff comes up. I really love such kind of videos. So that's why you can see that I have a full energy for me to make such kind of videos, because I really enjoy making it, and I hope that you also really enjoy watching it and listening to my voice. But anyways, I hope you really enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what do you think. What are your key ways to make money online? What do you think are the most important ingredients for a recipe to make money online? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.